When you're out on the open road, it's a chance to move along freely, uninhibited by all the stop-start that goes on with city driving. However, it's important for all of us to keep up with the traffic flow. It's often the frustration caused by slow drivers that leads others to make rash moves and overtake unsafely. If you're not comfortable with the speed of the traffic, keep as far left as possible, giving other drivers room to overtake. However, if it's safe, you are quite entitled to allow following traffic to pass by driving across the continuous white line and hatching to the left of the roadway. It's there to give drivers a guide when driving in adverse weather. However, this should be used with care, moving back into the lane as soon as possible using a head check and indicator. If you can't move over, consider stopping at the side of the road at an opportune moment, letting the traffic pass. You'll find that it gets rid of all the impatient drivers and it takes the stress off you. Overtaking lanes also allow faster moving traffic to get past. However, it can be hazardous where the two lanes merge into one again. As you pass the 200-metre warning sign, check your mirrors and your blind spot. Indicate right to warn any overtaking vehicles that you're about to merge back into one lane. Of course, the overtaking drivers should be indicating left to show that they are merging too. Regardless of whether you're in the city or country, intersections are still the place of greatest danger, especially where those quiet roads meet busy highways. Safe driving comes back to your defensive driving rules of knowing where you're going and searching the road ahead, giving yourselves plenty of warning of an approaching intersection. A major cause of crashes in these situations is the difficulty some drivers have in assessing the speed of traffic on the main highway and allowing themselves enough time to cross the highway or join the traffic flow. The defensive rule here is, if in doubt, don't go out. Another useful rule in this situation is to treat all intersections as if they were controlled by a stop sign. Coming to a complete stop allows you more time to gauge the speed of approaching traffic. Selecting first gear also gives you a quicker takeoff. Remember that traffic will be travelling at high speed. Therefore, you'll need a gap large enough not only to get onto the road, but also to reach the speed of the traffic already on it. Many highway intersections now have a turning bay, which provides an access lane close to the centre line, allowing you space and time to merge with the traffic and get up to higher speeds. Remember, as you merge, indicate left, use your mirrors, and do a head check. Exiting highways is another danger. The basic rule again: look well ahead for other traffic, check behind for anyone who may want to overtake you, indicate and then move just to the left of the centre line. If moving to the centre of the road holds up following traffic or has the potential of putting you at risk, consider pulling over to the left-hand side of the road and wait till it's clear to make the turn. And if you've searched early enough, you'll have plenty of time to decide the safest option. Road designers often provide right turn bays to make exiting to the right much safer. Use them correctly and apply the same defensive driving rule: search ahead and behind. Maintain a reasonable speed as you approach, indicate, and move toward the centre of the road, allowing following traffic to pass by on the left. Use the hatching to enter the turning bay. This ensures a smooth and safe manoeuvre.